All right, guys, this is the Metabo HPT 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Now, this is a very big saw. One of the reasons I went to this one is because of the slide rails on the side. I've got another 12-inch miter saw, and the one challenge is that when I have it at home, I'm limited really on where it can go because I have to have enough space in behind for the rail to slide. Having it on the side makes it a lot easier. I know this is the back of the saw, and because it slides on that rail on the side, I don't really have to worry about it hitting anything in the back. So I've got a little bit more room because of that rail being on the side. So I really like that a lot. I like the single handle up top here. It doesn't matter that much. I just think this is a little bit more comfortable. You've got a safety switch here. So you push that down and then you can pull the trigger. Otherwise you cannot pull that trigger. If I push down on it like this, I can freely slide it back and forth like that. Whereas if I push that green button here, now I have positive stops, right? So now I caught on a stop. So if I'm somewhere, let's say I want to go to 45, if I just go to 40 degrees, hit that button, now I can hit those positive stops. But otherwise, I can push down and I can just slide it as much as I want. But as soon as I hit that button here, hits the stop, push down on it, now it'll go to the next one. Now it'll go to the next one, right? So I do have positive stops. It's just this button allows me to swing freely. And if I don't want to have to hold that, if I don't want to have to worry about any of the positive stops, I just push it down completely. Then once I get to where I want to go, I just push that down and that locks it in place. Now your rails slide out on both sides. The back here, just loosen this up. And that rail will slide out. That'll allow you to bevel this. Now, if you are taking this with you, you have different spots here. You have work holders you can put in here. You have a work stop. Again, a lot of these are just to extend that rail a little bit more. So if you need to put that in there, you can. That kind of gives you a flat surface to cut on. Got one on both sides. Now, I really don't use any of these because I have the Bosch miter saw stand, the gravity fed stand, which gives me the side rails that I can pull in and out. Now, in regards to beveling this thing, the mechanism is a little bit different than some of the other models I've seen. Now, down here we have a lever, and this is what's actually going to allow you to bevel it. So you're going to want to pull this up. It might be a little tight, but go ahead and pull it up. That's going to allow us to bevel this to the left. Go all the way over like that. Now, to bevel this back to the right, we're going to pull it up like this, and this is a pretty heavy saw, so it's got some good weight to it. You're going to go to about 5 degrees, maybe 10 degrees. And then back in here, you want to pull this out, and then we can bevel it all the way over to the left. So as you'll see, but you have to swing this back here to the left to be able to pull this out. If you don't, you're not going to be able to pull it out. But now all you do is push it back in, and you won't be able to bevel it to the right anymore. And once you're done, you're going to lock this in place here. And you'll see you can't bevel it to the left either now. Now, a couple other things I really like. The motor sounds good. It can be a little loud when it's up. You also have the exact cut LED. It might be tough to see in the camera because it is an LED, but you can kind of see your line here, which I really like. We also have a stop here. So if you don't want the blade going down fully, again, you can push that stop in place. Maybe I only want to cut, or maybe I got a 2x4 and I only want to cut an inch out of it. I can stop the blade. I can set the depth on that blade. Now for me, this is a really nice saw. I really like this for my workshop. I think Metabo did a great job on this design. Having the double bevel is great. For me, a 12-inch saw is kind of a little bit too much to take from job site to job site. So that's why I say this is great for a workshop, and I like having the slide on the side. Just makes it easier to work with.